Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Azure AD Premium and admin permissions. Open the Azure portal and go straight to Azure Active Directory, then App Registrations to register your app. Once registered, copy the application client, ID and directory, tenant ID. You'll need them later. Make sure you've collected the app's reply URL and decided on supported account types, single tenant or multi-tenant. These choices determine access scope and how users will authenticate, so pick them deliberately. You now configure the single sign-on method in the app's SSO blade. Choose SAML for legacy apps or OpenID Connect for modern flows. Enter the identifier, entity ID, and the reply URL exactly as the application documentation specifies, because mismatches break the handshake. Once done, upload the SAML certificate or create client secrets for OIDC and set token lifetimes. Make sure you map user attributes and claims to the app's expected schema, so authorization and personalization work correctly. You finish by assigning the app to pilot users or groups and running the Azure AD Test single sign-on tool to validate the flow. Once successful, enable user assignment or update enterprise app access and add any conditional access policies for MFA or device compliance. If something fails, check common culprits: clock skew between systems, expired certificates, or an incorrect reply URL. Then review sign-in logs in Azure AD for detailed error codes. Make adjustments, retest, and roll out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.